So we got it in just about. It's been an absolute struggle. Why is there water on the floor? It's from the pipes. That's annoying. Yeah, it's been an absolute struggle getting in. I've completely cocked it up. Look at that. So, I made a decision. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to cut it across this way, and it's going to be a lot easier to manoeuvre and get in position. And because I've messed that up, I can sort of come this way. Because of this panel, I've got quite a bit of room for error, so I can come up to about here. So I should be able to fix that corner. But I'm going to cut it across there anyway, try and get it in. And that way it's going to be a lot easier to manoeuvre. And I'll just cover it beside to hide the seam. Eventually. Just got it out of the toilet room. But just to give you some idea of how hard it is to manoeuvre, I've got to rotate this to be able to get it out the door. So watch the fun. Yeah, it's just... This is exactly why. There's just no room to turn it. No room at all. Here we go. I managed to get it down. But this is why it needs cutting in half. A lot more manageable then. Bit of low light, I'm afraid. But first bit is going in. I'm ready to glue. I've really messed up that edge, but it's going to be covered with sealant, so it's going to sit like that. There's a bit of gappage. It's going to be covered with sealant, so I'm not too fussed about it. I've had to leave a gap there because I messed up this edge originally, so I've had to just cut a bit away from that side so I can actually fit it in a bit better. Cut around that bit of steel because the screws are rusted here, so there's no chance of me getting that out. Cut the toilet door out, and that should look really good. Unfortunately, light's a bit low, but I'm going to get this glued in tonight. Don't think I'm going to get that one in. After this isn't going to touch, is it? Shame I haven't got a beam there. I should have really finished the wood to there so that I've got a fix in. Where does that wood come up to as well? I don't even know. Because that's all that's going to be holding that. It's this here. Oh, I don't know. Don't know how good this stuff is. Oh, I'm not going to use much more. So, stick that on there, slide that up as far as we can there. This is meant to grip here, I think. That's it, first piece in. Put some braces in, just hold it in place, let it dry, and do the other bit tomorrow. tuck that up there now. Shouldn't be too difficult. Saying that. Might have to pull that down a bit with the pliers. There's a bit of a gap there. I just have to be extra generous with the sealant. That's going to be it. Trim across there. Sealant all down in there. That needs to go a bit further. Put the second bit in. Put the top bit in. It's not great, but I'm just going to seal around it. It'll be fine. I'm going to put some trim here where we've joined it. Probably just one of these, just across the width. That'll be fine. Little shower hose holder into the beam that we put in. Solid as a rock. Plus it's holding the wood on whilst it dries. Time to get the rest fitted. Shower tray's gone in. We're getting there. Toilet next, then the sink unit, then finish sealing everything up, and it'll be done. Toilet's going in at the moment. Sealed all around the edges and that. For the meantime, that all dried last night. The wall is in. I've got some trim to go across this piece. That's poking out a bit. I'm gonna have to do something with that. But it's in. It's looking good. Just slowly building it back together now, and then we'll be done. I'm gonna varnish this as well as the trim that goes over. Not yet though. I'm not too fussed about it. It's really late now, but we're pretty much done. There's a couple more bits. I need to seal the toilet and cut a piece of wood for the end, but that's pretty much it. That is the final wall. Hopefully you can see it in this light. I've just glued this in, bracing it there just to hold it tight. This solid as a rock now. This is all in, lights working. Just need to seal around the toilet and we're done. So I'm going to leave it there. So if you've enjoyed this, please leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.